a masterpiece of modern architecture designed by Central de Arquitectura. Located in Bosques de las Lomas, Mexico City, this home exudes elegance and luxury with its bold and innovative design. La Punta House consists of 2 rectangular prisms stacked to form the letter L. This unique shape allows the house to maximize natural light and the beautiful scenery around it. The interior of the house is decorated in a modern minimalist style, using high-quality materials such as glass, steel, and wood. Carefully selected furniture creates an elegant and cozy atmosphere. Basement floor. This is the level where the parking is located, with space for 6 cars. It has a room for the driver with complete bathroom, a machine room and a water tank. There is also a games room with half a bathroom and a cellar. Ground floor. In this level is where all the semi-public activities in the house take place. All the services are located here: a family room with TV, kitchen, diner room, a living room and a small deck for a barbecue in the outside. This is the general floor of the project and it's 1.60 m above the street footstool. First level. Here the bedrooms are located, with a principal bedroom that has bathroom and an independent dresser. 2 twin bedrooms with independent bathroom and dresser each, and a 4th bedroom also with bathroom and his own dresser. There is also a TV living room and a small study. La Punta House is a perfect example of innovative and luxurious modern architecture. Its unique design and outstanding features make it the perfect residence for those who want the best in life.